Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today, date is 19 July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 5. Name of the chapter is Animals Around Us. Animals around us. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you what is a food chain and how there are different chains are formed in the nature. Okay, so what is food chain? A chain that shows how plants are eaten by herbivorous animals and then animals are eaten by other animals. So that is a food chain. Food chain, So we have already discussed this food chain, a chain that shows, a chain that shows, a chain that shows how plants, how plants, a chain that show how plants are eaten by animals. And how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals. Is it clear? How animals are eaten by other animals is called a food chain. So what is a food chain? A chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animal is called a food chain. So this thing we have already done in the previous video. Now we have completed all the topic of the chapter. In the starting it is given, after studying this chapter, what are the learning objectives of this chapter? That is the difference between a plant eating and flesh eating animals. Now I hope all of you are able to understand what is the difference between a plant eating animals and flesh eating animals. So plant eating animals are known as herbivorous animals and flesh eating animals, they are known as carnivorous animals, and according to their eating habits they have different types of teeth in their mouth also. That things also we have discussed, because according to the eating habit of the animals they have different types of teeth. Okay, next is the feeding habits such as graying and chewing of cud by certain animals. पेक्युलियर फीडिंग हैबिट्स, तो कुछ एनिमल्स की फीडिंग हैबिट्स भी डिफरेंट हैं, जैसे कर्ड चूइंग एनिमल्स, काऊ एंड बफलो, एंड ग्रे एनिमल्स विच समथिंग विच इज वाइट, ओके, So gray animals like rat, squirrel and rabbit. So to keep biting something, it to eat it slowly. Name is to keep biting something, to eat it slowly. So this thing also you are able to understand in this chapter, and the basic idea of a food chain, that is also clear to you. What is a food chain? So how animals and plants are depend on each other, and how different types of a food chain in nature, that also we have discussed in this chapter. Now today student, we will start the, we have already discussed in the previous video keywords of this chapter, that is curd and grain, and after that things to remember points are given, 5 points are given. This all 5 points we have already discussed in the previous video. Now in today video we will start with the book exercises of the chapter. Now see question number A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using correct option. Fill in the blanks using correct options. Now we will start with the first question. Animals that eat only plants are called it. Question number 1. Animals that eat only plants are called it that. Option number A, carnivorous animal. Option number B, omnivorous. And option number C, herbivorous. So student, for this statement, given statement, 3 options are given and we have to choose the right one. So first question is animal that eat only plants are called it dash. First option is carnivorous. So this is not a right answer, because as we know that flesh eating animals, those animals which kill the other animals and eat their flesh, ऐसे एनिमल जो दूसरे एनिमल्स को किल करके उनकी फ्लैश खाते हैं, ठीक है, एंड ईट द फ्लैश ऑफ दैट एनिमल, that come in the category of a carnivorous animals. So this is not a right answer. Second is the omnivorous. So in this category, which type of animals comes? So in this category student, those animals come which eat both. What does it mean? It means that they eat plant also and they eat flesh of other animals also. So that are known as omnivorous animals. Okay, what are omnivorous animals? Animal which eat both. It means they eat plants also and they eat flesh of other animals also. So omnivorous is also not a right answer. Now come to option number C, that is the herbivorous. So yes, this is the right answer. This category, because when I explained you in the chapter that according to the eating habits, the animals are divided into three categories: flesh, carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous. So what are herbivorous animals, student? Herbivorous animals are those animals which eat plant. ये उन animals को बोलते हैं बेटा जो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं. ठीक है, प्लांट्स के पार्ट में हो गया फ्रूट वेजिटेबल्स. सो जो प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स हैं दैट इज नोन एज हर्बिवोरस एनिमल. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द राइट आंसर. So option number C, this is the right answer. Note down the answer. Now second question, ostrich and crow. Question number 2. Ostrich and crow. Ostrich and crow can eat both plants, both plants. So can eat both plants and animals. And belong to the group of belong to the group of option number A, herbivorous, option B, omnivorous, and option C, carnivorous. So, student, question number second, ostrich and crow can eat both plants and animals and belong to the group of dash. So, ostrich and crow both are birds. Crow can fly, but ostrich cannot fly. Is it clear? Ostrich and crow both come into which category? They are animals, but they are birds. So, ostrich cannot fly and crow can fly. And question is, ostrich and crow can eat both. Both means they eat plants also and they also eat the flesh of other animal also. So, it is asked in this question, they are eating both plants and animals. So, they belong to which category? So, they belong to which category? So, option are given. Herbivorous, no, herbivorous is not a right answer because plant eating animals are known as herbivorous animals. Is it clear? plant eating animals are known as herbivorous animals. Option number C, carnivorous. No, this is also not a right answer because of flesh eating animals. Flesh means मांस होता है बेटा, ठीक है, flesh means मांस होता है, तो flesh eating animals are known as carnivorous. So option number B, omnivorous, this is the right answer. The animal those eat plant also and flesh of other animals also, so they are known as omnivorous. So they are known as omnivorous animals. Next question, dash has long dash, question number 3, dash has long dash has dash has a long sticky tongue dash has a long sticky tongue to catch insects. So option number A, elephant. Option number B, cow, and option number C, frog. Okay. So dash has a long sticky tongue to catch insects. So elephant, when we are talking about the elephant, student, so elephant is not a right answer. So what is the reason? Because see, animal, when we are talking about the animal, the largest animal of land is, that is the elephant, and so it is a big animal and it eat the leaves of the trees. ये किसके पत्ते खाता है? पेड़ों के पत्ते खाता है। और एज यू नो कि ट्रीज क्या होती हैं? बहुत टॉल होती हैं, ठीक है। सो दैट इज द रीजन दे हैव ए ट्रंक। तो एलिफेंट की क्या होती है बेटा? सूंड होती है। सो इट ब्रेक द ब्रांचेस एंड लीव्स फ्रॉम द ट्री एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए ट्रंक इट ईट द फूड, ठीक है। ट्रंक से अपना फूड अपने माउथ में लेके जाता है और इस तरह वो खाना खाता है। तो एलिफेंट इज नॉट ए राइट आंसर बिकॉज एलिफेंट यूज ट्रंक। ट्रंक मीन जो सूंड होती है आपकी की, एलिफेंट यूज ट्रंक टू ईट द और टू टेक द फूड टू द माउथ। काउ is also not a right answer because cow eat leaves and grass and they are known as curd chewing animals. Is it clear? So this is also not a right answer. So third option is frog. Yes student, frog is the right answer. That has a long sticky tongue to catch insect, ठीक है। इनकी टंग में जैसे छोटे छोटे टंग टू कैच इंसेक्ट्स, इंसेक्ट्स को पकड़ने के लिए क्या है, इनकी जो टंग होती है स्टिकी, जैसे इंसेक्ट्स जिसको ये खाएंगे इनके टंग के उसमें टच में आता है तो उसमें क्या हो जाता है? चिपक जाता है, स्टिक कर जाता है। जैसे आप गोंद लगाते हो ना, पेपर चिपकाने के लिए। तो इसी तरह इनकी टंग्स क्या होती है, लॉन्ग स्टिकी टंग्स होती है। दे टेक आउट देयर टंग आउट फ्रॉम देयर माउथ, अपने माउथ से ये टंग बाहर निकालते हैं और इंसेक्ट्स को उससे पकड़ा तो उसमें वो स्टिक हो जाता है, चिपक जाता है, एंड दे ईट। सो इन दिस मैनर द फ्रॉग ईट देयर फूड। So frog is the frog has a long sticky tongue to catch insect. Frog is the right answer. Question number B. Write two examples. Write two examples. Write two examples are each of the following. Animals that animals that chew the cud. We have to write two examples. So animal that chew the cud. So what does it means? Chew the cud. See, some animals like cow and buffalo, what they do? They eat the leaves and just once they chew it and they swallow that. ठीक है? And after some time, what they do? They bring back their food into their mouth and then they chew for hours. So this is known as chew the cud. जैसे कुछ एनिमल्स हैं बेटा, काऊ, बफेलो, ये ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं, ये जब फूड ईट करते हैं तो दे ईट देयर फूड, वन टाइम च्यू करेंगे बस माउथ में एंड देन दे सॉलो इट, ठीक है, देन दे सॉलो, ठीक है। फिर जब इनका पेट पूरा भर जाता है, अब इन्होंने पूरा खाना खा लिया, तो ये किसी जगह पे या तो स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में होंगे और वेदर दे सिट डाउन, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे ब्रिंग फूड बैक इनटू द माउथ एंड देन दे चू द फूड वेरी प्रॉपरली। फिर वो आराम से उसे कई घंटे लगा के क्या करते हैं, उसे खूब चबाते हैं। तो दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ फूड ईटिंग हैबिट ऑफ सम ऑफ द एनिमल इज नोन एज chewing of cud. So examples: cows and buffaloes. Animals that neigh. Animals that neigh. So, what are the examples? So, these are also herbivorous animals. ठीक है, ये कैसे एनिमल्स हैं बेटा, गिने एनिमल, दीज आर हार्बीवोरस एनिमल्स हैं, ठीक है। नाउ अब इसमें अगर हम बात करते हैं, दे आर herbivorous एनिमल लाइक रैबिट, रैट एंड स्क्वायरल। दे हैव sharp front teeth, okay, and they have sharp front teeth which they bite the food, and these animals are known as guinea animals. Guinea means to keep biting something, to eat it slowly, ठीक है। ये अपने फूड को लगातार बाइट करते रहते हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस में कट करते रहते हैं, ठीक है। एंड दे टेक टाइम, they eat the food very slowly. So the example of these are rabbit and rat. Rabbit and rat are the examples of these. Now the next question. Third one, animals that use their tongue. Animals that use their tongue. Animals that use their tongue to lap water or milk, okay। So we drink, many animals and even we human beings, we drink water, ठीक है। So but there are animals which cannot drink water like human beings or other animals, so they take water with the help of their tongue, ठीक है। तो वाटर को वो अपने टंग से चाट चाट के इस ढंग से वो पानी को पीते हैं, ठीक है। सो दैट इज द रीजन सच एनिमल्स दैट यूज देयर टंग टू लैप वाटर और मिल्क, ठीक है। ये पानी को अपने टंग से ये लो लैप करना मतलब चाट चाट के पीना, ठीक है। इस तरह से ये वाटर पीते हैं। तो द नेम ऑफ द एनिमल आर कैट एंड डॉग। ये हो गया। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट एनिमल्स दैट सक देयर फूड थ्रू ए ट्यूब, ठीक है। सो देखो ये एनिमल्स कैसे होते हैं, इनके माउथ में एक बहुत थिन ट्यूब होती है जो इनके माउथ से अटैच होती है, ठीक है। सो ये अपने फूड को उस थिन ट्यूब से सक करते हैं, ठीक है। सो सच टाइप ऑफ एनिमल आप एग्जांपल लिख सकते हो, जैसे आपने देखा होगा मॉस्किटोज, ठीक है। जो मॉस्किटोज होते हैं वो ऐसे ही करते हैं, एंड दे सक द ब्लड of the from the human beings and other animals also from this thin tube which is attached to their mouth. And even butterflies also, even butterfly also. So butterfly don't take the blood, don't butterfly, they don't eat, they don't suck blood. So what is the food of the butterfly? So that is the, they suck nectar from the flowers in this manner. Okay, thank you student.